Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kiana Anika and welcome back to my channel for another video. So I know I have been gone for a while. I am feeling healthy, feeling so good. I have been sick. So I decided to come on here and show you guys this cute little look that I whipped up for my Arbonne event. I absolutely love the makeup that I used today. I've been using them for a while, so I figured I'd show you guys how I get this cute, effortless look. I love a flawless foundation, and this foundation is definitely giving my skin. And then I also decided to get a little extra and do an eye look for y'all. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure you comment down below your favorite makeup brands, makeup tips, what foundations you love, what you do not like about foundation, because I definitely love makeup and I want to share that with you guys. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're about to do some makeup. So I have already primed my face using Arbonne's makeup primer. It is super duper like hydrating on the skin. And when it comes to makeup, I really love like that nice skin like makeup look. Like I like it to look super duper effortless, really lightweight, medium to full coverage. But ultimately, like your makeup is gonna look like garbage if your skincare is not on point. So make sure you guys get a really good and solid skincare routine. So I'm gonna go in using Arbonne's foundation in the shade Expresso. When it comes to the skin, it's Arbonne for me. I did not get into makeup until like I became, yeah. I didn't get into makeup until like I became a little bit older. I was like a stalker though. I love watching other people do their makeup. And I just was like, oh, I could never do that. But then I just was like, you know what? Let me just try. Like, let me just try this out. Let me just see if I could do this. I usually do my eyebrows first, but I guess today I'm just gonna do my foundation first. I have been in the house sick with COVID since my last video, since I showed you guys, you know, I was about to start my healthy living journey, get back on track, and bam, I got COVID. But that's okay. Totally fine. Like, I'm alive, blessed and grateful. Okay. So for my eyebrows, I like to mix. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And then I also use Arbonne's eyebrow tint in the shade Medium Dark. So it's like a little spoolie. And I just brush my eyebrows up with it. I really like it. I like to also use pencil, but I don't have any of that on hand right now. I really need to do like a makeup restock. Like, it's so crazy. Like, why would I be out of the stuff that I like? But I do not wear makeup often. I only like wear makeup when I'm going somewhere. So, yeah. Which is something that I need to stop doing. Okay. I'm rambling. Let me do my eyebrows. So yeah, y'all, I love doing my eyebrows. It's such a therapeutic process. I didn't want to speed it up too much, but I wanted to show y'all. They came out so good today. That was really quick. I think I'm showing out because I'm on camera. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and I'm just gonna create like little light. Of course, it's in the shade Ebony, so it's not really light. Whoa. Super quick. That was crazy. I'm talking about super quick like I usually don't be up in here freaking struggling. Ew, these these brows is done. So for concealer, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 490. This is the Pro Filter concealer. Rihanna, she's got it right, and I appreciate that. Love like a really skin like finish. But we're just gonna clean up this brow. And I really love that brow tint because it like glides on. It's easy to maneuver. So very beginner friendly. I am like not a professional. I'm not a makeup artist. I really do my best every time that I can. Pray for the best, you know, and expect the worst. When it comes to makeup, guys, I want us to learn together. I want this to be a space where we can learn, have fun, laugh, okay, joke, enjoy life. So if you have some tips for me, make sure you comment down below. Like, let's chat. That looks absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. Let's get into these eyes. Use that Fenty concealer again. And we are going to conceal and highlight. Oh, highlight. I guess I'm doing the highlighting part. I don't even be knowing the names, y'all. Beauty blender. Then I take my foundation brush and I just go over my cheek area a little bit, just so that it's not so harsh if it is. Preventative measures are better than taking no measures at all. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the eyes, you guys. We are going to be using the Cherry Blossom. It's all in the Eyes palette by Arbonne. Mine is Busted, Rusted, and Disgusted because I, you know, have it in the bag with all of my things. I'm not that organized with my makeup. Judge your mama, not me. But all of these colors are absolutely beautiful. In combination with that, I am going to be using the Warrior 2 palette by Juviasplace. Y'all, look at these damn colors. Look at these colors. Freaking so beautiful, so pigmented. Like, they look absolutely amazing on the skin. I want to do like, I want to look like a goddess. So I'm going to take Kufuru. I hope I pronounced that properly. And I'm just going to buff that in, okay? I'm thirsty. It's getting a little warm in here. Now for my lid, I'm gonna use this Nectar color. So this gold right here. Artist, so I really don't be with all the cleanup, swipe and wipe, take away. I'm not a professional. Being a professional makeup artist though just doesn't really sound like my thing. I like to do makeup on my friends, on my family, really only myself. It's therapy for me. Makeup is definitely therapy for me. It allows me to sit and get through my ish. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Kufuru. And I'm just gonna try to clean it up. Y'all see how I said try. So I'm actually gonna mix these two. I think that'll look really pretty. Let's do it. Let's go for it. Yes, That's really nice. I really like it. And then we'll blend that out. This is what I enjoy about makeup, for sure. But really simple, nothing extravagant. All right, and then we just repeat on the other eye. We're gonna use the juviasplace bronzed bronzer. I blend using this powder brush, or like whatever brush it is called. And then we're gonna blend it with the beauty blender. My makeup, how's it looking? Beautiful. Oh, thank you. I'm forgetting to do something, but I don't know. Oh, I need to set my under eye. So to set my under eye, using a Morphe's setting powder, I'm just gonna press it in. Press it in, real subtle. Go ahead and do our lashes. We're gonna use Arbonne's Speak Volumes mascara. It is the number 10 best mascara in the world, so get with it or get lost. I'm sorry to disappoint if y'all thought I was gonna put lashes on. I know lashes will make this look pop, but I'm not that girl. Okay, so now that we have finished the face, we're gonna go ahead and set using the NYX. And I love this All Over Glow by Kiss. I got this from the beauty supply store ages ago. So we'll just blend it in, but yeah. All right, I'm just gonna take some hydrating lip oil. Lychee. So bomb. So bomb. Fire. The best stuff ever, okay? Coconut extract. It's super duper hydrating on the lips. It's like a lip balm, lip gloss. I'm gonna take my Arbonne lip duo in the shade Bloom, and then on the other side there is a lipstick. I'm not much of a lipstick girl. Just not like super into color, but I want to get like more active into color. So that's what I'm challenging myself to do this year, is to really play with color, get out of my comfort zone, start doing more stuff. But yeah, y'all, this is the look. This is the look, all done. Absolutely love this. Super quick and simple, kind of quick. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know if it took me too long. But yes, I love this look. It came out so nice. I'm gonna go and have an amazing time with my girls. We're gonna do facials, massages, and all of that fun stuff. So until next time.